So what we are going to do today is create nice soft curls with the hair, a trend which is really in, a trend which can be carried out by anybody, young girls, working professionals, for afternoon lunch, for evening party, anything, for older women, anything. You can just carry it off effortlessly. It looks really nice, it's very quick to do, and the most stylish, since straight hair is out and what we have is nice big volume hair which looks effortless. So, and especially for hair which is limp, sometimes in summers your hair tends to fall limp and you want to give volume, this is one of the best ways to create volume. So what I am doing is combing the hair and taking out basic sections. You can do it the way you like. I just find it easier like this. Then I use a tongs. I take sections which are about this big, put the hair in between, just drag it down right till the edge and start curling it, and as I get it above, I gently release it to make sure that the ends of the hair are right into the tongue, because that is what is very important to curl. I take it up and I hold it for like 5 seconds, and then I slowly release it, leaving them in the form of a curl like that. You should not condition your hair if you want to do something like this. When the hair is a little oily, it gets difficult. So the best thing is to just wash your hair, and the sections you take should be just about this size. It actually depends on how you want your curls to look, and then leave it. What I am going to do, because I want these curls to stay, I am going to take them together and I am going to clip it, because while the hair is hot and warm, it's going to take shape. So I will just leave the curls like this for them to take the shape that I'm trying to give them. So I've curled all the hair and I've tied it up with these clips so that the hair can cool down. As it cools down, it takes the shape. Now the next step is the front hair. I've left these two, sections here. The front hair, you have to make sure that the hair is curled away from the face, not into the face. So when we curl hair, the front, put it like this and take it away from the face. This way the hair is going to come backward. So this is what it's going to look like from behind. These big loose curls. Don't open the curls, just spread your hair a little bit, because the curls are anyways going to open up in a couple of hours. So we just let it be like this. And as we open, to make sure that it strays, just cover your face. Simran. I'm just going to spray a lot inside to give it that, just open up a little bit the curls so that it looks even bigger, the hair. Just let the curls be, and you can just individually just go close to the curls and just spray them so that they remain like that. And you want some volume here, you just tease your hair with a brush like this, just do slight back combing so that your hair has a little volume here and wherever you want some volume, like here. Nice curly look to have, which is really in, because gone are the days of straight hair, and this is what everyone should sport in the summer. Curly, casual, loose hair, nothing that looks very made up. You haven't really put in too much of an effort. Just remember to spray your hair a lot when you want your curls to stay. Just open them, just make it look a little messy. It doesn't have to look as if too much hard work has gone into it. Whichever side you take your flick, just take it that side. This is easy to achieve, great for the summer. Bring your hair in the front so that it covers your face like this, it frames your face, and you're ready.